Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Here is a part number that is not available in the dealership. It's still back order. Take it out. People have to look at it. Honda CRV 2008, 2009.
I advertising for you.
Second generation. I advertise for myself. Get it? You advertise for transit. We have a lot of cars have this issue. You go to the dealer, you're not gonna get it. You see here, this housing crack and the water built here and corrode the pipe. So when you change the housing and the pipe is not available on a dealership, but right now is available aftermarket, right? Yeah. And this is where the seal, be sure when you get it with the seals, and you change the whole pipe. This is a part number here, and this is where the leak is. And as you see, this is where the crack for thermostat housing. If you cannot get it, that's the problem. But if you get it, take the intake manifold and you change it one time. This is it happened only for Honda cars, right? And you see this guy Honda Tech, the best. No. Okay, that's the thermostat. When you take it out, be sure you change all of it together. Wow. And this is a heater core line. Dealers say in back order is not expensive. Can you take it out for me, please? Let me take my car out before. Yeah. This is a 4th generation Honda CRV or 5th generation. Yeah. Yeah, this is the pipe, which is not available. A company made it quick, and they put it out for sale. You take all the measurement. You know how many cars are parked because of this? The one I ordered till today never come. CRV 2009. This is 2.0 liter engine. The engine size. Just a quick review. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you for watching.